We are LED4Home.com. We offer over 50 years lighting experience. Our mission is to provide and install energy-efficient, cost-conscious LED lighting for existing interior and exterior bulbs at the big box store retail price. LED4Home.com has a very simple process to ensure our customers get the best, most energy-efficient LED lighting in their home. It's as simple as calling LED4Home.com and scheduling a home survey. LED4Home.com will send a lighting professional to your home for an energy savings audit of your home lighting. In about an hour, the lighting professional will show you how many lights you have and your estimated lighting costs. And they will help you decide exactly the lighting color and brightness for your home. They will show you the different types of LED lights they recommend. In just a few minutes, you will have a quote to replace your old bulbs with new energy-efficient and cost-effective LED bulbs. Your lighting professional will discuss the survey with you and answer any questions you might have. We don't charge for labor, so you'll pay about the same cost as if you purchased the lights from the big box store, but with free professional installation. Schedule your installation with the lighting professional or review your email quote to schedule later. Once your installation is scheduled, LED4Home.com will prepare your order. With an inventory of over $5 million, LED4Home.com has every LED light you will need for your home, inside and out. The LED4Home.com installation team will assemble your order and verify it is exactly what you need. On the installation date you select, the LED4Home.com team will arrive ready to brighten your home and start saving you money. And best of all, you have a highly capable and friendly LED4Home.com installation team. The team is trained and experienced in every type of lighting. LED4Home.com is bonded, insured, and accredited by the Better Business Bureau and employs complete background checks, drug screening, and safety training. The job is not done until all lights work correctly, even with dimmers. And there is a free 1-year warranty on the LED bulbs and installation. After the installation is complete, the team will do a final walkthrough with you and make sure you're satisfied. Our process is efficient, cost-conscious, and convenient. So when you're ready to skip the hassle of replacing light bulbs, contact us and take advantage of the many benefits of LEDs.